Come on, I guess I'm just a misfit, huh? Yeah. Am I coming right now? No? Am I coming right now? Yeah. Hey, listen. Real skinny, loud color tinnies, body marked up like a beanie. I don't push a Maserati, Dreamer biz a bit. And yeah, I wrote a foreign, and it's on like a spiffy. Hey, go ahead and doubt us, what you know about us. And we ain't gotta follow, then we take another route. No, we ain't blowing trees, bro. Open up my window. I see you driving tags, but you know that's why your end's low. I tried to tell them we was coming down, let us in. Why they hating like we are a bunch of hooligans? No gimmicks, spirit in my lyrics. Know when people hear it, they gon' love it, they gon' fear it. And it ain't how we flow, cause when we show up at our show, they say we going so hard in the paint, they can't wait for some more. But some others say we preachy, some closed-minded geechies, like we ain't heard of Marx like a Nietzsche. Believe me, like they don't know about us, they don't know about us. Like they don't know about us, they don't know, they don't know about us, they think we dumb, diddy dumb, but they gon' know.
Only means it's arrest me. Old school delivery, new school chapter. Basement to the top, that's before, this is after. Y'all ain't factors, you're more like actors. Tell me you ain't tired of these new school rappers. Tighten up your bars, stimulate your vernacular. I'm pulpit and rap, but I'm far from a pastor. Like BC, yeah, my mic sounds nice. Call that boy AI, cause you know I rock the mic. Yeah, I'm chillin' this beat, watch me do it. That boy me, so it ain't nothing to it. Yeah, I'm old school with it, I'm a vet. I rock the mic every time the boy do it. I rock the mic, 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 I rock the mic. It's on once again, Mr. 550 Bands. Got your girl and her friend, and I let them. I be with your baby mother, older cousin named Pusha.